Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to enable a quick launch on VIVO V30. Firstly, go into the settings. Now scroll a bit down. Go into shortcuts and accessibility. Quick action. Make sure that is enabled. And now choose what would you like to open after double pressing the power button. No, after holding down the power button. So I chose open camera, and now if I will turn off my device, and as you can see it is locked. If I hold the power button, volume down button, my bad, camera is going to be activated. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.